everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sonali Bhardwaj. Today I'm gonna show you how you can get a perfect flawless base. So let's get started. So here I'm using Biotique Morning Nectar Visibly Flawless Skin Moisturizer. For applying moisturizer, make sure you heat it up between your palms and then apply by dabbing it on your face. For a flawless base makeup, it's very important to do your CTMP regime. I have combination skin with oily on T-zone and normal on C-zone. I suggest not to skip moisturizer if your skin is oily. Then prefer a gel-based moisturizer. Wait for 5 to 10 minutes. Let moisturizer absorb into your skin. Here I am using Urban Decay Face Primer. For primer, I am focusing on my T-zone as it has most of the enlarged pores. Primer will help in minimizing those pores, as primer creates an extra layer between your skin and makeup. Primer helps makeup long last, smooth the skin surface and even out the skin tone. With the help of a buffing brush, spread primer all over the face. Also go slow and in circular motions so that everything gets absorbed into the skin. For skin like large pores and fine lines, try a silicone-based primer. I will suggest not to buy a separate eye primer for eyes. Use the same face primer for eyes too, as purchasing two primers can be too unaffordable. Now I am using Kryolan D RED B for color correcting my dark areas like under eyes and sides of my lip. With the help of a small brush, apply it. It's an orange color corrector that will cancel out darkness on my face. And to neutralize my red spots on my face, I am using Kryolan D RED B. With the help of another small brush, apply it. Near nose, I have sensitized area that appears red, and I have some red pimple mark too, as you can see. So this green colored corrector will cancel out red shade. For blending, use a damp beauty blender and try not to spread corrector all over your face. Just stick to that particular area. For base, here I am using PAC HD Liquid Foundation. You can apply foundation with the help of your fingers as I am doing. Otherwise, you can also use brush or a beauty blender. But the best way is to apply it direct with your fingers, as beauty blender and brush soaks foundation really quickly, which leads to wastage. With the help of a damp beauty blender, dab it and merge it into your skin. Take your time and blend it well. For baking, make sure that there are no crease lines or cracks on your base, like I am doing to my under eyes. Here I am using Wet n Wild contouring palette. Always choose compact powder that is one shade lighter to your base. Otherwise, same shade will just give you coverage, not an highlighting effect. You can highlight these areas during or after contouring too. You can do whatever the way suits you best. Leave it for 1 to 2 minutes. With the help of buffering brush, remove extra powder. You can see there is no discoloration and how flawless the base looks. If you like my video, do subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. The link to my Insta ID is given below in the description box. See you guys in my next video. Bye.